At GSK, we build medicines for everybody, and AI is becoming a critical part of our strategy. Discovering a new medicine is very complex. There's lots of different clues about what is driving a particular disease. It can be from looking at people's medical records and a patient. It might be looking at very specific things. It could be clinical imaging, it could be pathology, it could be things we measure in their blood. We sort of use AI to make sense of all those pieces of information and put it together. This is what's going to allow us to discover new medicines and have a transformative impact on patients. We actually seek to find very particular labs and institutes that are doing what we think is world-class work on particular areas of interest to us, where we want to either spur innovation and we think it's something critical, or there's a particular technique or method they're an expert in that we want to partner with them to push further. So we have a network, and that's from the usual suspects that you might think of, Stanford and Cambridge and Oxford and things like that, for which GSK has a long history of engaging with. We've recently partnered with the Australian Institute for Machine Learning on the strength of the type of work that's happening there and the access to data and sort of the ecosystem that that institute sits in. As we began to engage with the Australian Institute of Machine Learning, it's based in Adelaide, we discovered that actually it sort of sits at the middle of this wider digital health ecosystem, which is really quite advanced and unique, that you actually have data from 3 major hospitals feeding in real time to a central data lake, and almost all the imaging is captured in different repositories, the pathology. They're unique data assets, which means doing AI on clinical research is uniquely possible in South Australia in ways that it isn't in other states in Australia, but also on a global scale.